Welcome back, friends, to your Techhandy channel. Please like and subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to timely get new video updates. Active Directory is a hierarchically structured directory service that runs on Microsoft Windows Server editions to connect users with network resources. For administrators, Active Directory stores information about objects on the network in an easy and searchable manner. In this course, you'll explore Active Directory domain services and its components, as well as the requirements to install Active Directory. Explore how to install the Active Directory role in Windows Server 2022 and discover how to use Active Directory to manage users and computers, including creating user accounts and groups and assigning permissions. Lastly, explore Active Directory schema, global catalog, and flexible single master operations roles and discover how objects are named in Active Directory.